In this video, I'll show you how you can send Robux to a friend, but keep in mind there will be a little fee, so you're gonna lose a little bit of money when you do it. What you wanna do is head over to Create and go to the Creator Hub. From in here, go to Creations and select your place. Now once you're in here, you're gonna scroll down until you find Monetization, go to Passes and create a pass. Now once you've created a pass, give it a name, Donation Pass. I'm gonna create it like this. You're gonna go to the settings of the pass, click on it right here, and go to Sales and Item for Sale. Do a price. Let's say 400, which means 280 will be received. Now save changes. You can come back, find the pass and copy the URL. Then you're gonna send this URL to your friend and they're gonna be able to buy the pass. Now if they have 400 and they wanna send the money to you, they're gonna buy this pass and you'll receive 280. Now the problem with this is that you're not gonna receive the full 400, so there will be some money lost. However, this is how you can do it. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.